Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. Globals variables, Superglobals. Some predefined variables in PHP are superglobals, which means that they are always accessible regardless of scope and you can access them from any function, clause, or file without having to do anything special. The PHP superglobal variables are globals, server, underscore request, underscore post, underscore get, underscore files, underscore env, underscore cookies, and underscore session. Please note that all superglobals are in capital letters and start with the dollar sign.